So let me show you how powerful this is. I am going to take a video from my watch list. Okay, this is the video from my watch list. I'm going to ask Gemini to summarize it. So we're going to say summarize this video. So here's the summary of the video. Okay, so this video is about 6 minutes long. Then he just gives you uh, the most important things about the video, which is the three layers of wealth. And so it is about not only focusing on returns, uh, but also to just invest. Also, income. Actually, focus on what you can control. Yeah. Also, to increase your income better than just trying to chase high returns. Time, because calls is the most important and overlooked lever. Compounding interest works exponentially over time. He gives an example of Ronald Reed Jr., a janitor who died with 8 million simply by investing consistently over a long period. Yeah, we all know the story of this guy. So yes, I know you know that this video worth watching, or maybe you're enough with this summary without even clicking on the video. So this is it, guys. I hope you like this video. Subscribe and like for more videos like this.